Hello traders, what if I told you that there was a tool that was probably the best product you can use for any uptrend possible? Well, there is. This is the dual investment product, which I've covered before, but this time it's for crypto. More specifically, it's for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Okay, what am I talking about? Here's what. Let's look at this rate right here. So if we go to Ethereum, and let's say that we want to do this rate right here. Let's say we wanted to do, I don't know, like 1,000. If we have 1,000 Ethereum, which I know is a lot. Oh, we'll go to the bigger APR. Let's say that we do this one right here. Let's say that we have 1,000 Ethereum. What are we doing? Well, here's what ends up happening. If the price of Ethereum in about 14 hours is below 616, I get back more Ethereum. I actually get back 1.8 Ethereum, okay? This is the exchange rate of ETHBTC. Now, if the price of Ethereum to Bitcoin is higher, then I get back this much Bitcoin. So why is this important? Well, what used to happen is when you do dual investment, you would have to do something like this, where you have a trade-off where if I do this, it's a really good return, but if Bitcoin settles, let's say, very, very high, then all I get back is USDT. I don't actually get back Bitcoin, meaning I don't get to enjoy the uptrend. And if Bitcoin crashes, I just have to buy Bitcoin. That's what happens with this product. But the really big benefit of doing this with Ethereum to BTC or BTC to Ethereum is that you will either make more Bitcoin or more Ethereum no matter what happens. So for me, this is basically the ultimate dual investment product. So just to reiterate what's happening here, if I put in, I am going to be making a trade here, but if I put in 1 Bitcoin right here, basically what's going to happen is I get back this much Bitcoin if the Ethereum exchange rate's above this. I just get back this much Ethereum if the exchange rate's above this. Okay? So that's what this is. The way that I think is probably best to trade this, I'm going to enter a trade right here. The way that I think is probably best to trade this is just to continue doing this every single day. Okay? Looks like this one doesn't have enough because too many people have been using it. So we're going to go to this one right here. Yeah, a lot of these quotas are going to be taken out because too many people are trading these, not surprisingly. Okay, so there we go. So now I have 2 dual investments. This one is at 614. So what does this mean, guys? What this means is that if the exchange rate is above 614, so above this, which it probably will be, I will just get back more Bitcoin. Essentially, it's just creating me more Bitcoin, right? But if the exchange rate is below 614, then I get back Ethereum, okay? Now let's go through a few examples. Let's say that the exchange rate here goes lower and I just get more Ethereum. Well, then guess what? I would just put that Ethereum back into the product and then keep cycling it and keep earning more Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now let's talk about some pitfalls of this. What are the pros? What are the cons? Here's a really big pro. No matter what you do, you are guaranteed to basically just keep making more Bitcoin or Ethereum if you're careful about the rates that you use. Now, what's the con? The only issue would be if the price of Ethereum or Bitcoin tanks, then you're basically going to be losing value, but not money. You'll be losing value because the price of Ethereum or Bitcoin will be lower, but you're not really losing much because you're just going to be earning more crypto. And if you're bullish on crypto, then I mean, that wouldn't really matter as much, a slight fall. Another issue that could go wrong would be something that would happen like, let's say that you invest Bitcoin here, then the exchange rate of ETHBTC goes up a lot, and then you do this again. I mean, there is a chance that if you do this too many times, you could get unlucky and actually have less Ethereum or Bitcoin than when you started. But if you know how to do this correctly, then you will probably just continue to make more Bitcoin and make more Ethereum. Additionally, if you want a robot to do this instead, there actually is a way to do that on the app, or to just do it here by going here. We go target APR. We want this guy right here. And obviously, I don't have any Bitcoin left because I just put it all in the product. But if I want something like that, I could just put in 1 Bitcoin and, you get the idea. That's how you could automate this strategy. Okay, so essentially what this strategy is, guys, it's a way for you to continue to make more Ethereum and more Bitcoin no matter where the price of Ethereum or Bitcoin goes. When it comes to Ethereum USDT or BTC USDT. So essentially this product is something that will keep generating you crypto no matter what happens, okay? Now, probably the best way to do this would be longer time frames. It's not really kind of signed me out. I don't know why it did. But the probably the best way to do this would probably be longer time frames, where you could get a much better APR. But regardless of that, I'm just really excited to be able to use this new product, and I'm also going to share it with you guys so that you guys can get a referral bonus as well. So this is the dual investment product. It's been released for Ethereum, Bitcoin, ETHBTC. So if you want to find a way to enjoy the current uptrend on Bitcoin, but you don't want to, I don't know, you want to make passive income that's not 2% a year, well, then this can be a more aggressive option for you for sure, for making a lot more than 2% a year. With that, that's going to be it for everything today. Click on the link in the description below if you want to go check out this product. I think it's pretty cool. With that, happy trading, and yeah, get dual investing.